Alex here with ASM 101. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm gonna just show you a little run through on how I install fascia metal on the gable end of a roof. Gable end of the roof is just that flat side of the wall, has no hips, no valleys, no nothing. It's just straight up and straight down. Let's get to the video. All right, got that measurement I needed. Let's drop it onto the piece. Make my mark, grab my snips, head on over and start notching. Notching in and cutting all the way down this 90-degree hem, cutting off the axis that we don't need to turn over coming up. I'm gonna lay my fascia onto the bench now, grab my hammer and start hammering over this lip. Once I have this lip hammered over, we can bring it up the ladder and start the installation process. I'm going to slide it underneath that starter trim and onto the face of the soffit. And I'm gonna put one screw in underneath. We're using 5/8 soffit screws, color to match, and it turns out really nice. I'm gonna grab my measurement for the finishing fascia peak detail here. It's just one measurement along the bottom side. One little trick I like to do here is with a speed square, I'm gonna measure my length, and at my length, I'm gonna zoom in here and show you that on a speed square, you can grab the pitch using a speed square. It's really quick and it gives a really nice finished detail. I'll go over that in another video. Once I have my slopes in, I'm just gonna drop in my length on the opposite side, and we'll basically get both finishing pieces out of this one cut. So it's actually quite efficient and the end result is quite nice. So I'm gonna finish this cut along that finished line, trying to keep it as straight as possible. As you know, I left a little bit of extra material there beside the line, and what that'll do is it'll give us a little bit of extra coverage on this piece. It's just a big flap that will ultimately get covered by the opposing piece. This is what I call the starting piece, which goes on first. I'm going to finish our cut. And now that we're finished our cut, let's head up to the roof. All right, sliding it underneath that starter, bringing it right up to the peak. As you can see, I have it, and just getting one screw. Again, 5/8 soffit screws work really nice. You can get them to match the color. Hey, as a special bonus for you making it this far in the video, I have a little something for you right here. Click this video and we'll only extend your viewing pleasure. Bye for now.